Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a room tour. It's still not 100% done, you guys will see. The only thing I really need to do is like get pictures. If you guys watch my moving in vlog, you would have seen kind of what my room looked like before I did anything. If you guys are interested, please keep on watching. If you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just get into this room tour. Okay, so you first come in through this door and there are some hooks that came on the back of it. So I've got my dressing gown and then I've got my towels. This section is my wardrobe. So I did show my wardrobe in my moving vlog, but I'll show you guys again in case you haven't seen it. So the wardrobe isn't that big, but I still worked out the storage fine. Just got hanging stuff here like my shirts, cardigans, all my jeans, jumpers, sweaters, skirts, dresses. These are really handy from IKEA. You can just hang up all your like cami tops, bodysuits and stuff like that. Up here is just like pajamas and loungewear and stuff, and then down there are my boots and handbags. Then we come over to my bedside table. So here I've put all of my underwear. So in this drawer it's just full of socks. I've got pants and non-padded bras, and then padded bras just lined up on the bottom drawer. On my bedside table I have a coaster. This is a really cute one of Alfie. I actually got this for my birthday. And then as you can see, I've got kind of like a rose gold theme going on. So this candle, I'm not sure where this is from, unfortunately, because I got it for Christmas. Scent is so nice. It's this really nice rose gold, and then the lid is marble. So it's just like, it's everything I would want in a candle. And then this is the diffuser I use. This is from Next. It was also a gift and I threw out the packaging, so I can't actually remember what the scent is, but it's so nice. The reason why I've gone through so much is because originally I kept this on my desk. Because Exeter's so windy, it was knocked over several times and it just spilled everywhere. So I actually haven't got much left of this, unfortunately, but I will probably go back and buy it again just because I love the smell and the packaging. And then I've got a photo frame of me and my boyfriend. This rose gold photo frame I think is from Paper Chase. This is a really old photo. I think this was 2 New Years ago. So it's an old picture. I want a new one of us to put in there. This Bedside Light is from, I think this is from Next Home as well, but I got it last year, so I'm not sure if it's in stock. I'll try to link everything down below if it's still in stock. I've got these really cute lights. They are pink hearts, and then they've got the little fairy lights in them, and I got that from Primark. I actually went to Primark yesterday and got a bunch of like cute lights, so I'll show you guys that. But if I just turn off my bedroom light, you can see it better because it will shine brighter in the dark. But I just thought that was really cute, and I have never had like fairy lights going round my bed frame like this, and I really like the look of it, so I got that. And then my bedding is from IKEA, and I've got these cushions that I got last year. I think this one is Asda Home. This one is IKEA, and that one I think might be Next or Asda. And I've got this throw as well, which is from, I think it might be from Asda as well. Let's see. Yeah, George Home, which is Asda's home section. So that is what my like bed looks like, bedside table, wardrobe, like that area of my room. And then there is also a mirror in my room. My hair is so frizzy because I've been out in the rain today. And then we got this like pin board, and I've put all the pins in the corner. But basically I got this light from Primark as well. And this is really cute because you've got these little pegs, and you can obviously like just stick photos. So that is actually what I'm gonna do. So this is part of my room which is incomplete because right now I have 0 photos because I have 0 friends. No, joking. It's my like first week living in this new house, so I need more pictures of me with my new housemates, you know. But eventually I will get round to it, and hopefully this board will be full by Christmas. Then you come round to my desk section, and the really weird thing is this kind of like blackboard thing that I have here. I don't think it's a chalkboard, I'm not sure, it just looks very strange. Over here I've basically got stationery in this corner, so I've got my printer, paper, and then here I've just got like stationery, and I've got my weekly planner. I got this from Typo actually, and it's really useful. And then I've got my notebook, my glasses, another coaster with a chihuahua on it because I love chihuahuas, and then this is where I keep all my highlighters and the rest of like my pens. And then my laptop is in the middle of the desk. That's my laptop case, which is also from Typo. And then in this corner I have like my body products. So I've got my body butters here, my Soap and Glory ones, and then I've got these from somewhere called She Aromatherapy. And then in this little like container here I've got earrings, I've got like a couple of rings in Pandora boxes, my watch, this really cute jewelry holder I actually got from Turkey from somewhere called English Home, so I hang my necklaces on there and stuff like that. These are like the perfumes I'm using at the moment. And then I have just some coconut oil, another Soap and Glory moisture mist. I've got more Soap and Glory stuff. I've got a lot of Soap and Glory stuff. And then I do have a few things on my windowsill. As you can see, it's still with the rose gold theme, and I got most of these last year actually. So this little fake flower thing I think is from George Home, as well as these little fake plant pot things. And then this I actually got yesterday from Primark as well. Down here I've got like all my cables and shit in that area. I've got a bin under my desk, and then this is from IKEA, and it's really good for just storing random shit. So in the top drawer I have all of my medications. This drawer is full of nail polishes, and here I keep my pads and panty liners. Then here is just like random shit actually. Then down here I just have like sprays. I've got my deodorant, an air freshener, dry shampoo, and then I've got some like cleaning wipes for when I clean my room. So that is like the desk area of my room. And then we have these chest of drawers. When you come around to this section, it's a bit overwhelming because I've got so much makeup. This is all my NYX lipsticks. This is a Huda Beauty lip kit, and then I've got all my like sprays around here. I have this fake flower thing. I don't know where this is from because my cousin actually gave it to me. Back there I have another like photo frame, but again these are all very outdated pictures. I mean, that is me pre-microblading, and I don't even know who that is. That's a very old picture of me and my friends, and that is a picture from first year, so I need to update this. And then I have another acrylic container. This is the bulk of my makeup. And then another acrylic lipstick holder for the rest of my lipsticks. These pots are from IKEA, they're very popular. And then actually in the drawers, so this first drawer is all of my palettes, my makeup palettes. This next drawer is where I keep all of my t-shirts, so this is actually looking a bit messy already, but this pile is for black, white and grey t-shirts. This is like orange and pink, and this is blue and green. And then in this drawer down here, the final drawer, I keep all my working out clothes, so my sports bras, tops and bottoms, and those are some ankle weights. And then there's a little bit of space here between the chest of drawers and the wall, and this is where my ring light is. And I have my laundry basket here. This I think I got from Argos. And the final bit of my room is this shelf here. So this is where I keep all of my this is where I just store shit. This is all my folders. They've still got labels on them from second year. I'm actually like terrified to start third year, and I've got today or tomorrow to sort through those folders because right now they're full of second year content, so I need to like go through them, decide if there are any that I'm going to keep or not, and basically just empty the folders and relabel them. Oh my god guys, I'm like, side note, this isn't relevant to the video, but I'm seriously not ready to start third year content. I'm so terrified, like if I talk about it for too long I will cry. And then there was a little bit of like space here, so I put my skincare. These storage containers I got from Primark also yesterday. They came as a set of 2 for £8, and that is basically everything for my room. But I thought I'd show you guys some storage under my bed because my room just doesn't have enough storage for the amount of stuff I have. Like, I had to put my bath products on my desk, which ideally I didn't want to do because I wanted to use my whole desk just for studying. There just wasn't enough storage, so I have ended up having to keep some stuff under my bed, so I'll show you that as well. I've got this yoga mat, which I actually ordered once I got to uni because this carpet is like such bad quality carpet. It's so hard, like there's no way I could lie on this and do yoga. So I got this one from Amazon. It was only £12. This is just like equipment for my ring light and camera. And then if you come around here, I've got this shoe container. In my wardrobe, as I showed you guys, it's all of my winter boots because they're too chunky to be put in here. These are all my trainers. And then there is also this. So this bit of storage I think I got from Next. It's a really good size as well, and this is where I keep all my hair stuff. So I've got my hairdryer, straighteners, curlers, my tangle teaser. So yeah, that is everything for my room tour, guys. It's pretty much finished. All I've got to do, as you guys have seen, is just like print off pictures, and I recommend Snapfish if you're at uni and you want to like put pictures around your room. Snapfish is really good price. But apart from that, pretty much everything is done for my room, and I actually really like it. It is a lot smaller than my room last year, but to be fair, it's rare to have a room that big, as big as I did in second year. That is everything for this room tour, guys. I will try to link as much as I can find down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash a thumbs up down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.